In this video, we are going to see how we can use the predefined templates to create some outstanding presentations in no time. So although we have seen how we can start off with a blank presentation and create everything by ourselves, but let's say that we want a quick presentation on business or on education, whatever. So you choose that category. I'll just show you from start. When you open that presentation, it shows you this screen. So if we click on more themes here, we land into this section. And from here, you can see all the presentations, all the themes, educational based presentations. These are some of them. And you can also switch to charts, diagrams, infographics, business, whatever. The purpose of this is if you want to quickly present something, you want to use the predefined templates. So just click on any one of them, click on create. Just remember, you need to be connected to internet in order to get this template because it is directly downloading it from the Microsoft Store or Microsoft website. So here is our presentation. Obviously, you can simply just click on any particular text. You can customize it. For example, PowerPoint training. You can define the subtitle of it. And we have different slides. However you want to present it, you can add the transitions to it. So for example, the wipe effect, it will be immediately applied like this. And then we can click on different slides and simply change the content however we want. Just select that content, remove that, or you just want to paste your version, you can simply do that. You can just change the title, and wherever any pictures are attached, you can just simply right click on that and click on change picture and attach yours. It's that simple. So let's say here I want to replace this picture. Right click, change picture from device, and let's replace it with this picture. Click on insert, and there you go. You can just change the title and any picture you want, however you want it. Similarly, you can change the chart titles. You can edit all the chart details how we have seen in the previous videos. So as you can see, it's a huge time saver that instead of creating one, if you're running short of time, you can use the existing template according to your needs and you can replicate it however you want. So for example, for this overview slide, we want a couple of more. Just right click, duplicate that, just change the content and continue through it. That's the purpose of template. It has every kind of slide whatsoever. So let's say that you want this one more for your slide. You can just create some duplicates about it, or you can even simply just right click and click on new. So you will have the blank slide. So that's how you can use the predefined PowerPoint layouts to create some outstanding presentations and most importantly, quick presentations for yourself. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.